Carrots are wonderful root vegetables that are vibrant in color, as you can see, this bright orange. And we're going to explore 10 ways to cut them today using 4 tools: the knife, the box grater, the peeler, the Julienne peeler, and hopefully y'all have a cut glove. Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health coach. Thanks so much for stopping by. I make videos for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits. And today we're preparing these carrots and seeing what they look like on the plate for a healthful portion. And hopefully that encourages you to eat 3 or more veggies a day. And that is the series that I'm working on. Link is above and in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's get started. This is an inexpensive brush at the 99-cent store. And if you're going to leave the skin on, I highly recommend to use this brush. Otherwise, washing it is just fine. All these carrots have been washed, peeled, and the tops and the bottoms have been cut. So let's start off with our coins. So with our coins, you could just lay it on the side and cut it in the thickness that you'd like. They could be that size, they could be thicker, okay? And these are great for stews, or you can get them really skinny like this, you know, using your 4 fingers as a knife guide, making sure that your thumb is behind those 4 fingers to get them nice and skinny. Also really great for soups. So those are our coins. Next is our halves. So a way to do that is just cut it down the middle as you lay it down. And there you go, you halved the carrot and have them come down cut side down, and then just cut them like that. So these would be the halves. Then for a roll cut, I really like that, is all you need to do is have the knife at a 45-degree angle, and you're just gonna cut it that way, roll it a quarter way, another quarter way, another quarter way, and so on. So you get these roll cuts. Then we can cut them into diagonals. This is from the roll cut, again, 45-degree angle, and just make them as skinny as you'd like or as thick as you want. All right, so these are diagonal slices. Next up is Julienne. So we can cut them kind of like as a section, and then we'll cut it down the middle, okay? And then again, cut the sides of it like so, and then stack them up. And again, using your 4 fingers as a knife guide to go ahead and make them into Julienne slices like this. There's other 2 ways to do it for the Julienne. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it to stay updated on future videos as they come out, or connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Kala Health and Wellness. The diagonal cut that I showed you earlier. So they're already really skinny, and you can stack these as well. And again, using your 4 fingers as a knife guide to determine the thickness that you'd like to cut, and these are Julienne. And if you think that's too much work, I totally get it. So that's why we have our Julienne peeler. So in this case, you could just peel it away like this. And they are finer. So these are better for like banh mi sandwiches, or putting them in kind of veggie sandwiches or salad bowls. Now we have the box grater. We can use it to grate the carrots. And if you're scared, get yourself one of these things, which is a cut glove, so you don't accidentally scrape your finger off. You can grate it diagonal to get longer pieces like that. Next up, I want to show you guys how to cut this in sheets. So have one side cut just like that. So this will create a stable base. See how it doesn't roll? And then do the same thing for the other side. And roll it and keep doing it until you kind of get all flat sides. Then you can cut them in sheets. And if you wanted to have your carrots raw and easy to snack on, just cut them down the middle like this and cut them in half like that. And these are really great bite-sized portions. To dice carrots, the same thing. I prefer cutting it on a diagonal and stacking them together like so. You know, we're creating these strips, right? But then we're going to bunch them up, turn them around so they're horizontal, and then we're going to make little pieces. So these are our diced carrots. And last but not the least is just peeling these carrots. So you have these nice strips that you can make a nice fancy salad with. And I'll show you guys a few of these peels. Carrots are also considered starchy vegetables, and they're in the red, yellow, and orange vegetable category. But since they are starch just like potatoes, they need to be served with dark leafy greens. That is half the plate, and also half a cup is the healthful serving for starchy vegetables. So it'll look like this on the plate for like stewed carrots or glazed carrots on the lighter side. If you're looking to add carrots to your salad, go with the grated version, and a quarter cup seems to be ample. If you had half a cup, I think it will be a little too much. So that's what it would look like on a salad. This salad counts as a 1 1/4 serving, getting you closer to your 3 or more veggies goal. All right, y'all, that wraps up Heart Health Month. Thanks so much for joining me for that. And this video, carrots cut 10 ways. I hope y'all are excited to get into that kitchen and cut it up yourself to enjoy new recipes like maybe new sandwiches, soups, salads, stews, stir fries, salad dressings, smoothies, or baked goods. As you can tell, you can really use these carrots in so many different ways. So I'm excited to know what you end up making in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. Stay tuned. Next week, we're going to continue on this series, Eat 3 or More Veggies a Day. And until then, remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.